Have you ever walked into a living room and instantly felt a sense of luxury and calm? It's not about how much money was spent, but how the space was engineered. Today, we are breaking down 5 architectural secrets that will instantly elevate your living room from basic to high-end. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about height. Standard rooms often feel boxed in. Architects use a trick called vertical manipulation. If you can't raise your ceiling, raise your visual lines. Take your curtains all the way to the ceiling, not just above the window frame. This creates an optical illusion, drawing the eye upward and making the room feel twice as spacious and grand.
Nice.
Second, stop relying on a single overhead light. Harsh central lighting kills the mood and flattens architectural details. Instead, use layered lighting. Combine ambient light with task lighting and accent lights. Place warm LED strips behind media units or under floating shelves. This creates depth, highlights textures, and gives the room a sophisticated, high-end gallery vibe at night. Third, the biggest mistake people make is buying furniture that is too small. A tiny rug or a short sofa actually makes a room look smaller, not bigger. Architects design with scale in mind. Choose a rug that connects all your furniture pieces. Your sofa and chairs should at least have their front legs on it. One large statement piece of furniture always looks more luxurious than 5 small cluttered ones. Fourth, luxury is tactile. If everything in your room has the same smooth finish, it feels flat and sterile. High-end design thrives on contrast. Mix matte walls with textured stone, raw wood elements, or a touch of brushed metal. This juxtaposition of materials catches the light differently throughout the day, giving your living room a rich, architect-designed character. Finally, embrace negative space. Perfection in architecture is achieved not when there is nothing more to add, but when there is nothing left to take away. Leave breathing room around your furniture and art. If you apply these 5 principles, your living room won't just look better, it will feel like an architectural masterpiece. Which of these changes are you making first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more design secrets.